All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a little special episode of Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. So, this coming Sunday is a little Father's Day action, and you have not yet got the perfect Father's Day gift. Well, I can tell you right now that we are going to help you solve that problem. All right, so actually Milwaukee makes a nice little kit. Now, this bad boy right here has a 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench grease gun, 2 batteries, and a charger. Man, I tell you what, that has to be pretty pricey. Well, I'm telling you right now that we're gonna throw in a nice little promo for you, $449. That's right, this whole kit comes with a nice little contractor bag too, $449 this week only. Come on, you gotta come on in for this for sure. But if that's a little high, that's fine, we've got you covered. Come on in, grab a couple of utility knives. Now you come in, buy any utility knife, throwing in some free blades, 5 packs of blades for you, free, no charge. Now, with all this being said, all you have to do is come in and mention this video in any way, shape, or form, or mention to us that you are shopping for a Father's Day gift. And we'll also throw in the much needed, the only tool that man needs. That's right, a bottle opener. That's right, Klein makes a nice little bottle opener for you. We're gonna throw it in, no charge. So, whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing, come see us now. Father's Day is coming soon. We're gonna be here for you. Come on in, see us here at the counter. We'll see you soon.